welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from Jerry's Artarama. I saw that they had the so I do need another portfolio book for my smaller diamond paintings because I'm actually it's almost full. So I saw that these were on like super sale at Jerry's Artarama, and I wanted to buy a bigger one. Okay, so let me take the stuff out. Okay, so the little thingy here, and these were on super sale. Let me take things out. So I did end up buying a couple more items just for the free shipping. Okay, so I thought this was gonna be much bigger, but look at this. This is just all like bubble fluff. Okay, let's move the box out of the way. So I did buy more portfolio books because I was my current one was getting full. So I saw these on sale. I do sometimes just like look up portfolio book and then just go to Google shopping, and then I saw like this one was on sale. I was wanting to get a bigger art portfolio. So these are 13 by 19. My current one is slightly small. It's like an 11.8 by like 16.5 inch one. So I wanted a bigger one because my cardboard, my construction paper is 12 by 18, and I just wanted to be able to slip it into here without cutting it. So these are 13 by 19. If there's only 24 sheets in this, which is fine because my other one has 40, and I can't fit more than the 40, or it has 40 sleeves, and these are double-sided, and currently I probably only have about almost 40 in there, and it's really full, so there was no way I was going to put 80 in there. So so I got this one. It is just a black one. It feels kind of nice here. But yeah, the reason I got this, man, my brain is just like frazzled today. So this is, where did I say it was from? Jerry's Artarama. So let me move my thing up and make sure you're not seeing my address. So I'm gonna make sure before I show it on the screen is, okay, so is it focusing? So the 13 by 19 thing, for two of them I paid $24.60, so these were both just $12.30 at the sale. When I got this and I looked, they're no longer $12.60. I think they're like 19 something now. You just have to look out for sales, and you could get these things for really cheap. But yeah, it does look like it does already have these are bigger. I'm not going to use the 13 by 19. I'm still going to just use my 12 by 18 pieces of card and just stick it in here. I have found, based off of my 18 by 24 inch portfolio book, that the sleeves inside tend to be slightly bigger than the 13 by 19. Let's see. So this should be 13 inches by 19. Yep, see, it is, the black thing inside is a tiny bit more than 13. So if you are getting like a 13 by like 19, well, height-wise, it looks pretty dead on to 19, but this wide is a tiny bit more than 13 inches. So it was hard to use it and put it into a frame because it was just too big. So I did end up getting two of these. So the reason I got so much of them is because shipping wasn't free. So for me to get free shipping, I needed to get $50. Otherwise, shipping was like $7, I think, or $8. So at that point, I was like, I might as well just buy more things. So I did buy two of them since it was $12.30. This was really cheap. Like I've been wanting to buy a 13 by 19 art portfolio, but these tend to be like $27 on Amazon. So the fact that I was able to get two of them for less than the $27 was like, I have to get this. So that's what I got. I got two of these, and then I also got a smaller one, which is an 11 by 14. Mainly since I was trying to get to the $50 free shipping. So this 11 by 14 one was $7.09. It was also on sale at the time. It was like a similar sale. So this is an 11 by 14, and I figured this would be good for my, let's see how many, see, it would be good for my 25 by 35s, you know, the ones that are what I call the fake 30 by 40 centimeter, you know, like if you get from like a budget friendly site, they say it's a 30 by 40 canvas size, but actual picture size is just 25 by 35. So I got this smaller one for my 25 by 35. See, across here is just 25. So there is just like an, yeah, it's like 28. So there's just a little bit is 25 by 35. And then that way for these smaller ones, I could get an 11 by 14 frame. And those are very standard, at least in the US. So I decided to get this 11 by 45 one. Maybe I should have gotten 2 of these and only one of the bigger ones. But yeah, this one was just kind of like an add-on just so that I could get the free shipping. So, but yeah, no, I actually kind of like this. So, we'll see. It's not that wide over here, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to get 48 in here because there's 24 sleeves. You could technically put 2 diamond paintings back to back, but diamond paintings are bulky, so we'll see. We'll see how this is when I use it. But so there is my 2 book portfolios. So this last item is, I don't know, I saw this was on sale also, and it's not on sale anymore, but I'll put all the links. That's the problem sometimes doing these unboxings is you buy them when they're on sale, but it takes like a week to get to you, and by the time you get it, it's not on sale anymore. But I figure I'll just show different things. So this is supposed to be a ginormous, and I mean ginormous, art portfolio. Wow, this is ginormous. Okay, so I don't even think I'll be able to show it on screen. So it's ginormous. So the reason I got this is an extra large art portfolio. It was $24.99. So I'm pretty sure this was supposed to be 32. I'm hoping it says on here this. Let's see. This is supposed to be a 32. Do you see it? A 32 by 42.25 inch art portfolio. So that is huge. So this is, my plan for this was, okay, my original plan was just to get a 24 by 36 art portfolio, which would be equivalent to about a 60 by 90 centimeter diamond painting. But on Amazon, most of those are about the same price as I got this. So I got this for $24.99, and there are a lot of 24 by 36 art portfolios and on Amazon that are about that same price. But this one is a much bigger one. So if I ever go crazy and decide to start going big on my diamond paintings, I figured I could use this to store them. Okay, so the strap here is kind of weird. You kind of have to take this off if you want to really open this. But yeah, it's huge. Okay, so so there's like 2 pockets. So yeah, if I wanted to separate out the 2, I don't know. Oh, and there's like a smaller pocket here for smaller items. But yeah, if I were ever to go crazy and decide I want to go psychotically big on my diamond painting, I have something to store it in. And like I said, I was only planning to buy a 24 by 36 for the big diamond paintings. Now I'm like, now I could go really big, super, super big. And I have no idea where I'm going to store this. Like, if I actually had stuff in here, where would I put this? I'm guessing the only place I could put this is under my bed because it is ginormous. But I figure, one, I need to get to the free shipping, and this helped me get to the free shipping, and it was cheap. I will probably end up having to put in some sort of like cardboard or something to give it a little bit more stability, but I figured this would be a good place to store the ginormous diamond paintings if I ever go crazy and start doing ginormous diamond paintings, or it'll give me an excuse to actually do the ginormous diamond paintings. Because I've been reluctant to do the really big diamond paintings, mainly because I don't know where I would put them after I was done, and hence why I was sticking to the smaller ones and then putting them in my art portfolio. I have found a 24 by 36 inch art portfolio, but it was like, I think $140, and I'm just not ready to spend that kind of money on what's basically a really large binder. But I'm like, yeah, but for this, I'm like, okay, $24 for me to start buying like some ginormous diamond paintings when I get brave enough to do the ginormous ones. Well, not brave enough, but more like wanting to do the ginormous ones. So yeah, this is my anticipation for the ginormous ones. You know, so yeah. So there is an option for you to possibly buy an art portfolio. It's not on Amazon. These things are not on sale as much as it was before, but I was able to get all this massive art portfolio for $24.99, and I was able to get two 13 by 19 art portfolios for $24.60, and then this smaller 11 by 14 art portfolio for $7.09. So there are good deals out on the internet if you are just happen to be lucky to look for them at the time. But yeah, I'll link everything below. It'll maybe go on sale again at another time. But yeah, that's what I have to show today. All right. Thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye. Well, let me move you down because I can't press stop until now. Bye.